I think the advancements in electronics manufacturing as a whole, when we look at from all the way from design, materials, assembly, test, the entire ecosystem is advancing pretty fast, and that excites me. And there are some pockets of gaps, I would say, in terms of the intervention of AI. Artificial intelligence is important, but it has to be selectively used. And that's happening. I would say that's happening in terms of AI for manufacturing. If I take as an example, all the way from AI for EDA tools, design, AI for test, overall AI for process control. You know, there are certain gaps over there, and I'm pretty sure those gaps will be filled in the near future.
The biggest opportunity ahead is?
As far as the industry is concerned, the introduction of AI, again, I bring back the topic of AI accelerators on the AI hardware. I would say the AI software is a little bit ahead of the hardware, as the industry knows that. The opportunity is to close the gap between software and hardware. And the TPUs, NPUs, the AI accelerators are all coming in. And I think with those, from the development to execution to manufacturing, should be happening in the next couple of years, and that will close the gap. I would say innovation in electronics is, the needs are ever increasing from the demands. If you look at from the demands, what's pushing the electronics hardware, more and more innovation is needed in how we design the chip, the package, the overall system. Innovations are needed in materials, equipment and manufacturing. And when I walked into the EXPO exhibition hall, the automation, the smart factory automation is one of the things that caught my attention. I think there's a lot of innovation happening there, and I'm happy to see that those innovations are going to close all the gaps.
The coolest thing I've seen on the show floor is?
Smart factory automation, all the way from materials, characterization, processing, testing, metrology. And I must emphasize on the metrology aspects. There's a lot that needs to be done from a metrology point of view when you look at from the complexity these advanced packages are bringing. Advanced electronic packaging is a key enabler. And the coolest thing I would say is the metrology that are going to be applied, the equipment that are needed for metrology tools and techniques.
If I had 30...
Standards are extremely important as the technology advances. So I can say many examples where there's a lot of customization happening. Faster product to into the market is everybody's need. Faster the product gets into market, the better. But at the same time, we have to be mindful of the fact about the supply chain. The supply chain needs to be given enough and more guidelines and standards so that the repeatability in the processes can be accomplished. And guidelines and standards play an important role in that, whether they are design guidelines, process guidelines, manufacturing guidelines. They are all important in terms of bringing new technology into the market. Electronics in the future need more designers, materials experts. So to the people who are going into the electronics field, I would say it's a super exciting time. Electronics is changing for the betterment of the community and for the humanity. And I would say that, get onto the opportunity, grab the opportunity. And I would also suggest to have a specialized field in electronics. If you're going to go into the electronics field, a master's degree would be very beneficial. And added to that, if you focus on the supply chain aspects, that would be fantastic.